Hi students, welcome to the class. This is CBSE textbook, Standard 4, Unit 2, Materials from the Earth. Look at the screen. Here you can see different items. Some are from plants, some are from animal, and some from the earth. We have to classify them. Look at the chair, wooden chair, that is from the plant. Jute bag, that is also from plant. Now shoe, that is from the animals. Wool is also from animals. Sheep, from sheep we get the wool. Look at the coal that we get from the earth, and rock that also we get from the earth. So in this section we are going to learn material that we get from the earth, and they are called natural resources because they are found in nature. Now look at this place. This place is called quarry. See, I have written there quarry. This real spelling is Quarry, but we pronounce it like quarry. So here, this is the place where we cut the stones and we use it for various purposes. So the place where we cut stone is called quarry. This building is called Taj Mahal, and this is made up of marble. Okay, look at this. This is a picture from the textbook. See what is written at the side. It is a hard rock. When it is polished, its surface become very smooth, and it is used for flooring and making decorative items. And Taj Mahal is made up of marble. When you get a chance, do visit Taj Mahal. You can have a beautiful sight of this building made up of marble. The next stone is granite. Look at this picture. This is actually a kitchen countertop. Now, granite is a very hard rock. It does not wear out easily. The meaning of wear out means does not get break. Therefore, it is used to make tops of kitchen counter and stairs. Stairs, in Malayalam we call padiketta. You can get on that up and you can come down, and it does not wear out, does not get break, and it lasts for a long time. So this is used for making countertop. I'll show another picture. Look at this. This is a beautiful kitchen with granite countertop. So granite is a hard rock, and it does not wear out easily. Next, look at the next type of rock is graphite. Okay. Now this graphite is a soft gray colored rock. It leaves a mark when rubbed against a rough surface. If you rub on a paper or book, you get a line or design, whatever you draw. It is used as lead in pencils. It allows, see the two characteristic, it allows electricity to pass through it. Graphite allows electricity to pass through it. And it is also used to make batteries. Look at this pencil lead. It is made up of graphite. So keep in the mind, it allows electricity to pass through it, and it is also used to make batteries. Now next one is chalk. Look at this chalk. It is a soft white rock. It is used to write on blackboard. Most of you would have got a chance to play with chalk on boards in your schools. So you should know what is chalk. It is a soft white rock, and it is used to write on blackboard. And blackboards, that is also a type of stone which is made from the slate, or made called slate. Okay. Next, let's move on to the next type. Look here, you can view a clear. This is called slate. This is the board actually. This is called board is made up of a stone called slate, and this is chalk. It is made up from a white rock. Okay. Look here. This is another type of rock called talc. Now this talc, it is a very soft rock. It can be crushed into a very fine powder. It is used to make talcum powder. It is also used to make paper and paint. So keep all these points in the mind. It is used to make talcum powder, or also used to make paper and paint. Let's move on. Now this is called coal. Another type of rock. It is used for cooking. It is also used to produce electricity. Let's move on. Look at this coal. This is what we saw. Another picture where you can see coal. Now this is, children, called a type of stone or gems. This is called precious stone because they are very rare and very expensive, very costly. For example, first one is diamond, then you call ruby, then you call sapphire and emerald. Now look at this. This is called semi-precious stone because they are less expensive when you compare with the precious stones. Okay. Now these are used for making jewelries and as used as decorative items. See here, you can see how the pearl and costly gems are used in the making gold ornaments. Now next what we are going to learn is clay. The clay is a sticky substance which consists of fine particles of soil and it holds a lot of water. It is easily available near the banks of rivers or streams. Clay can be molded into different shapes. See, look at here, you can see cup and jug, and it is made up of hard. It no when objects are made of clay become hard when they are dry and burnt in fire. So you can make any object like pot, a cup, or in Malaya and Kerala they make fish curry with chutney. So all these items they make with clay and they dry it and then they burnt in the fire. Then it becomes hard and you can use it for various purpose. And look at this. This is a flower pot which is made up of clay. Here you can see how they are polished and they are painted and they have decorated. So this kind of covering it with a polish and painting and decorating and this process is called glazing. That is where it is decorated and covered with the polish is called glazing. Now here you can see another picture where pots are painted and decorated, which is used as for keeping plants. So let's move on. The next one. This is again a clay which is called porcelain. Now China is a Chinese are the first people who used it. So it is called China clay. Now here they make cups and mugs using this China clay, and they are called porcelain. And it is also used to make different kind of pot or dishes or tiles, wash basins, which is very good in looking. Now this is called Bricklands, and if I say simply, this is one kind of stove where you bake or where you burn the clay stones. Let me show you another picture. See, this is called brick lane. So what I showed earlier is the inside view. This is outer view of brick lane. Here you keep the brick what you made with clay and they get burnt or baked here. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Look at this. This is called cement. How the cement is made? The cement is made by mixing clay with a rock called limestone. So what happened when you mix cement with the sand and water? You get a thick paste called mortar. See, look at this. This paste is called mortar. See what I've written on the top. Mixing clay with a rock is called mixing clay with a rock called limestone. That is called cement. That is when you mix clay with a rock or limestone, you get a substance called cement. Again, when cement is mixed with sand and water, we get a paste called mortar. This mortar is used for laying a wall or for constructing buildings. That is, you can see a mason keeping a layer of mortar between the bricks and that holds them together. So that is how they build the buildings. So we come to the end of this first section. At the end, you can see a checkpoint in your book. There you can see a place where stones are dug out from the earth is called quarry. Graphite is used as lead in pencil. Talc is used to make talcum powder. The baking of pottery in a kiln is called firing. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching, children.